All right, well, it's Friday. I've got a lot to do because I also need to go to the grocery store today. But the kids are at school, so I'm gonna do two things today. I'm gonna make sound panels for the basement office, and I'm gonna make this video. Let's go. I don't miss ironing at all. Whew, all right, those look great. Now I gotta figure out where they go. First, I gotta go to the grocery store. I'll be right back. All right, let's hang them up. Well, here's what it looks like. The only problem is I don't know what to do with the other two. Well, for now I'm not gonna do anything with the other two. I'm just gonna leave those two up because the kids are gonna be home really soon and I probably better figure out dinner. But yeah, not too bad. Probably better not forget to take the vacuum back up. Oh, and the second thing I was gonna do was make this video. So I'm gonna have to figure that out too. But you know what, there's plenty of time. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. All right, peace.